Hey, I want to show you this Zykkor 135 f2.8 lens that I have. You can see an obvious fungus in the center, so not much to say about that. You get a free fungus with the lens, but of course the price is very good, so you can use this lens as a practice lens, or you can. I think it's still functional, just that maybe the center part would be a bit soft. I'm not sure. I'm actually using one lens which has fungus now. I think the result's still okay. But yeah, anyways, this is the lens that I have. If show the aesthetics, focusing is okay. The side, back, front, the internals needs cleaning, but generally it's. I'm gonna sell it at a good price, so yeah, nice. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, God bless.